Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Loginate. And in today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Prime Video application login problem. So first of all, launch Google Play Store or App Store according to your mobile devices. I'm going to launch Google Play Store. Once you come here, tap on the option of search at the bottom right. Now go to the search bar on top and search for Prime Video. From here, tap on the Prime Video application. Now over here, instead of the option of open, if you see the option of update, tap on it and make sure that the Prime Video app is updated to its latest version. Once you update the application, all the issues such as login problem and other bugs will be fixed on the application. Another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that launch settings on your mobile devices. Once you come here, scroll down below and tap on the category of apps. From here, you could directly search for Prime Video. Tap on the application. From here, scroll down below and tap on Storage. Now over here, at the bottom right corner, you'll see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. Now, follow these easy steps so that you could fix your Prime Video app login issue. So that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.